Tactical Wireless, based in Forres, has developed a product called OmniHub, an integrated communications hub capable of taking inputs from sensors, analog and digital video footage, data and sound audio, which can transmit communication via all modes. In short, OmniHub is a unique product that can transmit real-time data from remote locations, irrespective of the challenges caused by poor connectivity from insufficient telecommunications infrastructure. It is the first technology to allow the broadcasting of ultrasound images from a rural location to a remote centre for interpretation. This has led to the use of OmniHub in two pioneering research studies: satellite ultrasound for rural stroke with the Centre for Rural Health at Aberdeen University and the Highland Diabetes Institute. The successful outcomes of both studies have the potential to revolutionise the diagnosis and ultimately treatment of patients living in the more remote areas of the Highlands and Islands, and bring significant industry investment to the Highlands and growth to the Scottish economy. OmniHub is an important game-changer in digital healthcare, enabling not only a positive disruption of healthcare process for the benefit of patients and the cost-effectiveness of care, but also triggering a set of sustainable and positive economic benefits to the Scottish medtech life sciences economy.